rejoice on the green leaves returning. The murmuring streamlet winds clear through the vale. The primroses blow in the dews of the morning, and while scattered cowslips bedeck the green dale. But what can give pleasure, or what can seem fair, when the lingering moments unnumbered we care? Nor birds sweetly singing, nor flowers gaily springing, can soothe the sad bosom of joyless despair. Dared, could it merit their malice, a king and a father to place on his throne? His right are these hills, and his right are these valleys, where wild beasts find shelter, though I can find none. But 'tis not my suffering thus wretched, forlorn, my brave God.